Foodbook bang guys, takoyaki. Nice ulit, oh. Puti ko na muna. You're my honor.
Takoyaki. Ako naman second.
Oo.
Putsa, ila 6 agad.
Wala pa yun guys, ulit.
Paldo. Paldo ba? Takoyaki pa naman, oh. Ayun, oh.
First bite.
First bite, oh. Aham.
Tapos na yan.
Wow, hindi maabutan. 12 pieces. 12 pieces lang ito, mga idol.
Pamili ka kami ako na din. Ang bili kayo ba?
12 pieces lang. Wow, nasa ulit.
Ihuli si May.
Yung huli namin yung malaki. Ayun, ano, nag-champion.
Kaso nagpabili.
Uy, bukas pa yung kabila.
20 meters.
So,
Guys, may part 2 yan. Pag hindi ako nakaabot.
part 2, bukas.
Ayun, buti. Tapos 6 yung isa. Lago matay. Bang. Part 2.
Tayo naman.
6.
Kay puti 6.
Grass na to.
Grabe, ubo. Uso ngayon, guys. Ubo, sipon. Kaya ingat kayo, guys, ha. Ako naman. Pakitaan ko kayo paano magiging 1.
Eh, pinindot-pindot ni Asher.
4.
Nakanting.
Gagawin, hindi.
Lagi, pinindot-pindot.
Ubo ka.
Inubo.
1.
Nabitin ako guys, may part 2.
2. Correct.
So guys, part 2.
3.
Kapag na hindi ko na ito na
At that very moment, Wes was about to
Ba't kaya hindi?
4. Solid.
It was completely useless.
Pero na agad yun.
Someone scammed him. Fortunately, Mary Beth arrived just in time to stop.
Ayaw niya mag-part 2 guys.
Depended on him. At the same time, Sardo began
Yes,
reaching
thanks. Thank you.
after spell. After waiting
Next time.
Wes immediately
Yan sa tinay.
the magic dust didn't work.
May labot pa.
Yun. Mainit.
Realize his mistake. He quickly sprinkled some of the dust.
Mainit. Ano mainit yan?
Ngayon lang.
Without warning, the surroundings were ajar. Everything around him was heading at full speed. As this was supposed to happen,
Pag isa lang nakain ko dyan, part 2 talaga.
Isa lang.
Ginaabutan yung dapat,
Mary
eh.
Beth could only stare at him speechlessly. She had the glasses
Busog isa ako,
on
kaya
again. This time she saw
malita na kain
countless
ngayon.
rapidly approaching them. Wes immediately
Pa-part tayo guys.
He could now see the
Revise tayo mo.
the glasses. Sardo was terrified. Mary Beth emerged behind him to close the
Grabe.
window. Behind the counter
Jim!
it scattered more
Pag-part
magic
2
dust.
yan.
Instantly,
Ito muna
all
natin
the
yun.
creatures vanished. Silence returned. They thought the plan had finally been sealed. But before they could celebrate,
Nahulog.
shot into the room. Both of them stared in disbelief. Sardo slowly turned around.
Oo.
Frozen terror. A pair of gigantic eyes was staring directly at them.
Mukhang hindi na kayo ang buti.
1 guys.
Kaya ang buti sana, isa lang. Malakas to, eh. Malakas lumamon.
Part 2 guys.
As the incantation continued,
Form.
they struggled desperately.
Dalawain mo.
On the other side of the parallel universe, two people, almost identical to them, stepped forward. From
First
their
bite.
perspective, Mary
Grabe,
Beth
limaw.
were the ghosts. The dark-cloaked woman slowly
Okay guys.
She was Sardo from the other universe, far more powerful.
Ayan, dinalawa na.
She successfully closed the dimensional door to claim control of this universe and took command.
Lugram.
Grabe. Grabe yung laki ng bunga. Bus yung 4. 3 bites lang.
Kaya nga pala may nagsiya-mukbang to, eh. Active lagi. Pag-challenge mukbang, eh. Grabe, guys.
guys.
Comment part 2.
Isa na lang natira.
Comment part.
Comment part 2 daw. Siya na lang ulit na lamon. Buti nga nasa uli siya, eh. Kasi alam namin kung ubusin niya, eh. Grabe. Naku, wala na natira.
Gana guys.
Wala na, guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you sa mga